You are about to enter a CFB, a Circulating Fluidized Bed Boiler. A CFB is different than a pulverized coal boiler because the ash and other materials transfer heat to the water wall via conduction, either sliding down the walls of the combustor or coming in contact with the wall as they travel to the cyclone. The boiler tubes will erode as streams of ash and limestone carve grooves in the boiler walls. Eventually, tube failure occurs. Our goal is to repair the tubes and recreate a smooth surface. When you enter the boiler, you will see several markings in specific colors. Repair markings will be in white paint pen, written by the boiler inspector. G means to grind the indicated area smooth. The best way to determine if a grind is smooth enough is to remove your work glove and feel the repair for yourself. Make sure there are no ledges, obviously high or low points, or vertical grooves in your repair. W means to add weld to the area and grind the weld smooth, matching the existing contour of the wall above and below the damage. Many tubes in the boiler are coated with a metal spray coating. This is an extremely hard alloy and will cause porosity in your repair if mixed with the weld material. It is imperative that this coating is ground off before the weld is applied. If porosity is found, the weld will need to be ground out and repeated. W, no G markings will be found near vertical refractory boundaries where a gouge has been formed. Add 2 passes of weld to the area and grind the top smooth. If there are a few repairs left on a particular wall, this will be indicated with a number and an arrow in the center of that wall or panel. A check with a circle indicates that the entire wall or panel area is complete and has been bought off by the inspector. An arrow with a line and check will indicate areas of the wall where no more repairs are needed. An arrow pointing up indicates no more repairs exist on the floors above that location. This mark is usually found at the top of each set of stairs or in the center of the wall. A check with a circle and the word level beneath it indicates that the entire floor or that level has been bought off. Pad weld repairs will be determined by UT testing. It is important to add several neat passes to the area, blending the top and bottom of the pad. Repairs that require more attention will be remarked in white. Repairs that have been satisfactorily completed will be bought off by the plant weld inspector. Various colors will be in use. White indicates that a repair needs to be made. Red or green indicates a repair has been bought off by the plant weld inspector. These 2 colors indicate day shift and night shift inspectors. Yellow is reserved for the Boilermaker foreman to judge repairs made. The repair has not been bought off, however, until it has been marked in red or green. Soapstone marks are not permitted by any Boilermaker. Overmarking an area leads to confusion between workers, supervisors, and shift changes. Other colors will be seen in the boiler, such as pink for ultrasonic testing and blue for metal spray. These markings and colors can be ignored. We have found it best for the Boilermaker to grind his or her own welds. Grinding too far ahead of welding can cause confusion as previous marks can be ground off. The plant inspector will be available to answer any questions and clarify any markings. If you see any areas you think need repair, please let the inspector know. Attention to detail is always appreciated. Please be safe during the outage. If you have any questions, please ask them now. Thanks for your attention.